Hello and welcome to the National STEM Learning Centre. We have here a lovely chemistry demonstration that could also be done as a class practical, and it's ideal for Christmas. It's a lovely wintry theme and could be done for the run-up for Christmas with your students. It also links in quite nicely to the GCSE specifications as well. Now, this chemistry demonstration is a displacement reaction, and we're going to do that in a microscale way on a microscope. This means we're using very small amounts, so it could be done quite safely by students themselves. It's a lovely reaction, ideal for Christmas because we'll see lots of little crystal trees growing, which sort of inspires a winter wonderland and a lovely landscape. Uses normal stuff that we'll have in the laboratories and the chemical store, and can be just a really sort of inspirational demonstration. So we have, for this, some cover slips for our microscope slides, some cavity slides, which we're going to be using, some copper wire, and some 0.05 molar silver nitrate. So all sort of standard equipment and some safety specs. We've also got the microscope here. This is quite a nice microscope, so we've got different objectives here we can use. And I've tied that in with a camera to my laptop here, so you'll be able to see these crystals growing. They are more defined if you look under the microscope, but for the class to see them, if you're doing this as a demo, you would need to transmit them and put them up on the screen or a laptop, for instance. So that's all here. And this reaction is all about displacement, and it links into the reactivity series. So we have copper that's more reactive than our silver here. So the copper will knock the silver out of the solution, so we'll have the silver crystals growing, and we'll end up with copper nitrate as our liquid. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take our cavity slide, like so, making sure the cavity well is on the top there. Place that on our stage. I'm then going to take a piece of the copper, just a very small piece, sort of a centimetre in length. Oop, haven't picked it up, there we go. And I'm going to place that on the slide, on the cavity area. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way is to allow us to focus in using the laptop. If I was doing this just down the microscope, I'd probably put it all on the slide and then put it onto the stage. So, let's focus in, and there we can see the copper wire. There we go. Just move that into the centre of the frame. That's all done. So when the reaction starts, we can see it straight away on the screen, which is really good for the students. And to that, I'm going to add just a couple of drops of silver nitrate. Like so. And we should see very quickly, and we can there, our silver crystals growing. And as these grow, they look a bit like trees in a winter wonderland in our landscape. Sometimes they can look very silvery, again sort of emulating that silver landscape. I'll take my goggles off now. Now, if you wanted to sort of move the magnification up, you could put a cover slip on just to protect your lenses, because the higher you go up, the closer those objectives are going to be to the slide. But I'm just going to use low power for this, because I think that shows these off really, really nicely. And there we go. So those are our silver crystals growing on our microscope slide.